Hello again, welcome to the A2 English Language School free online course. Today we'll discuss about the part 2 of quantifier. You are invited to join the class. If you have any question or comment, please leave the value at the end of the lecture. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And then nachu kurang ተመልካቾች እንኳን ወደ A2 እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርት ቤት በደህና መጣችሁ። ዛሬ part 2 or of quantifier or አምጣኝ የሚለው ርዕስ እንወያያለን። ከኔ ጋር አብራችሁ እንድትቆዩ እጋብዛችኋለሁ። ለቻናሉ አዲስ ሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ወደ ክላሱ መቀጠል ትችላላችሁ። So last time we have seen what is quantifier. That's quantifier which are used with countable noun, quantifier which are used with uncountable noun, and quantifier which are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. We have also started to see some special quantifier like some and any. Some which is used with a positive sentence if the answer is yes or it's expected to be yes. When we are making offer like would you like some coffee? And making request. Can I get some water, please? And any is used with negative sentence and question. Do you have any friends? No, I don't have any friend. Okay. And we have also seen everything and nothing as well. Something and someone and anything and anyone as well as we are covered in the last lecture. ስለዚህ ይሄንን ባለፈው ያየነው ቶፒክ ነው ስለ ኳንቲፋየር አምጣኝ ምንድናቸው ከምን ጋር እንጠቀምባቸው ምን አይተን ነበር እና ስለ ስፔሻል ኳንቲፋየር ደግሞ ሳም ኤንድ ኤኒ ሚል ደግሞ አይተን ነበር ማለት ነው ስለ ዛሬ ከሱ ቀጥለን እናያለን part 2 is much many a lot of lots of and a lot so they have similar function but let's see their functionality much and many they are usually used with negative sentence and interrogative sentence. It means they are used just like any. In fact, if you cover M from many, you find any. Okay? Look at the any, nazi, much and many milit kalatoch, can negative sentence na, ka tiyake garan takem bachaman. Except in formal situation. Formal situation, konagan, mentakem tiyake laim, mentakem charleman. With more, for example, formal letter, formal interview. Let's see examples. Much is used with uncountable nouns and it is used with question and negative sentence. For example, how much money have you got? How much time have we got? As in money and time, they are uncountable. How much of this book is fact and how much of this book is fiction? ስለዚህ how much of the information ከዚህ ከመጽሐፉ ምን ያክል ኢንፎርሜሽን ነው እውነት ምን ያክል ኢንፎርሜሽን ነው ደግሞ ፊክሽን እንዳለ ማለት ነው. These are question. And the negative sentence, there isn't much food in the store. There isn't much food in the fridge. ማለት ይችላል ስለዚህ የኔጌቲቭ ሰንተንስ ነው ፉድ አይቆጠርም they haven't got much time left ብዙ ጊዜ የላቸውም it is pouring with rain but there isn't much wind is uncountable noun many is used with countable noun main ደግሞ ከሚቆጠሩ ሆነው ከኔጌቲቭ ሰንተንስ እና ከጥያቄ ጋር እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው for example how many eggs are you buying ስንት እንቁላል ነው የምትገዛው ጥያቄ ነው okay how many eggs are you buying do you think many people will come ስለዚህ any and many similar ነው ስለዚህ do you think many people will come it's also a question okay how many of them can read and write in English this is many can be ቆጠር ጋር people eggs are countable let's see negative sentence there aren't many women leader see there aren't women leader many women there aren't many English speaker in Italy ስለዚህ እነዚህ ደግሞ ከኔጌቲቭ ሰንተንስ ተጠቅማቸዋል ማለት ነው ኤክሰፕሽን አሉ ብለን ነበር አይደል let's see the exception I have worked in many departments so this is informal interview or formal letter she has many years of experience ስለዚህ this is formal interview or formal letter how about a lot of lots of and a lot we use a lot of lots of a lot and plenty of with positive sentence ስለዚህ much and many ከኔጌቲቭ sentence እና question plan ነበር a lot of ደግሞ what positive sentence እንጠቀምባቸው ማለት ነው and usually to exaggerate the amount or number የበዛ ጊዜ ስንጠቀምባቸው ደግሞ ቁጥሩን ለማጋነን በጣም በዛ አድርገን ለማየት ለመጎረር እንጠቀምባቸው ናቸው ማለት ነው thus are used with both countable and uncountable nouns much is used with uncountable many is used with countable but a lot is used with both countable and uncountable a lot of and lots of are used before now ስለዚህ ኦፍ ያላቸው a lot of ወይ ደግሞ lots of ካለ ኦፍ ካላቸው ሁለቱም ከናውን በፊት ነው የምናመጣቸው ማለት ነው ከነሱ ቀጥሎ what ናውን መጠራት አለ ወይ ስም መምጣት አለበት ካለመጣስ ምን እናደርጋለን? ኦፍ እናጠፋለን። a lot የሚለውን ጠቀማል ማለት ስለዚህ a lot is used to make very short answer and when the noun is not mentioned. Let's see this one. Example. I went shopping and spent a lot of money. Okay? A lot of money. ወደ ገበያ ሄጄ በጣም ብዙ ብር አጥፍቼ መጣሁ። Okay? ስለዚህ a lot of money. I spent a lot of money. We have got lots of things to do. ስለዚህ of ከተጠቀምን noun መምጣት አለበት ሁሌ ማለት ነው። Okay? Take your time. You have a lot of it. Means you have a lot of time. ስለዚህ of ብለን noun which is time አለበት ማለት ነው። Are there a lot of good players in your tennis club? Obviously, nobody's going to say no to his tennis club. So, if we expect the answer is yes, we can sometimes use a lot in question as well. There are a lot of monuments and a lot of historic building in Rome. ለዚህ እነዚህ of ካልን ደግሞ ከሱ ቀጥሎ noun መምጣት አለበት ማለት ነው። of መጠቀም ካልቻልንስ noun መጥቀስ አንችልም ማለት ነው። Would you like some cheese? So cheese is a noun, right? Yes, a lot. of መጠቀም ከፈለግን yes, I would like a lot of cheese እንላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ short answer ግን yes, a lot. How much money you got? A lot. How many friends you've got? A lot. Do many people work in your building? Yes, quite a lot. Is there any food in the house? Yes, there is a lot in the fridge. ስለዚህ what is a noun? Food is a noun, but it's not mentioned. Yes, there is a lot of food in the noun ማለት ይችላለን። of ካለ ግን food mention አናደርግም። Yes, there is a lot in the fridge እንላለን ማለት ነው። The third quantifier is little, a little, few and a few. A little and a few, very little and very few are generally used with affirmative or positive sentence. እነዚህ ጥቂት or ትንሽ የሚሉ ቃላቶች ከፖዚቲቭ ሰንተንስ ነው የምንጠቀምባቸው። ኔጌቲቭ ሚኒንግ ብኖራቸውም ግን ሰንተንሱ ፖዚቲቭ መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። They are not used with negative sentence or question. A little are used with uncountable nouns. ስለዚህ እነዚህ ትንሽ የሚሉ a little or little ከማይቆጠሩ ናውን ነው የምንጠቀምባቸው። A few and few they are used with countable noun. However ግን they follow similar pattern. አንድ አይነት ፓተርን ወይ ደግሞ መንገድ አላቸው ማለት ነው። እናያቸው። A little, a few. A little, a few means enough for now but not plenty. Okay? ስለዚህ እነዚህ a ካላቸው ከነሱ በፊት ለአሁን በቂ ነው ግን ብዙ አይደለም ማለት ናቸው ትርጉማቸው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ a little ከማይቆጠር ነው አይደለም ብለን ነበር። ስለዚህ a little there is a little water in the tanker so you can take shower. ስለዚህ ገንዳ ውስጥ ወይ ረቶ ውስጥ በቂ የሆነ ለአንተ ሻወር ለማድረግ በቂ የሆነ ውሃ አለ። ስለዚህ ሻወር ማድረግ ትችላለህ። ግን ልብስ ማጠብ ትችላለህ እንዴ? በቂ አይደለም። It's not enough. There is a little water enough for you to take a shower. ስለዚህ ለአሁን በቂ ነው ግን ብዙ አይደለም የሚለው a little እናል ማለት ነው። She save a little money every month. በቂ የሆነ ብር ባንክ ውስጥ ታስገባለች። I have got a little money I'm going to cinema. ስለዚህ እኔ ወደ ሲኔማ ማስገቢያ የሚበቃ ብር አለኝ። For example, I may have 200 or 300. It's enough for me to go to the cinema, but it's not plenty. ብዙ ባይሆን ግን በቂ አለኝ ይላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከተጠቀምን ሁሌ በቂ ማለት ነው ግን ብዙ አይደለም። Have you got any money? Yes, a little. Okay. So number 2, a few. All she wanted was a few moments on her own. ለሷ በቃ ትንሽ ለሷ የሚሆን ጊዜ ነው ፈልጋ ነበርችው። ለዛ የሚሆን moments ነው ፈልገችው። ስለዚህ a few moments. I don't take all so don't take all the strawberries, just have a few. ሁሉም ስትሮቤሪ አትውሰደው በቂ የሆነ ብቻ ላንተ ውሰድ። ኦኬ ልትበላ ወይ ልትሸከሙ ትችል አንተ ብቻ ውሰድ። ሁሉም ግን አትውሰዱ። ስለዚህ take enough ማለት ነው a little a few ካልን ማለት ነው። I have got a few friends we meet every day. ስለዚህ በቂ የሆኑ ጓደኞች አሉን በየቀን እንገናኛለን ትላለህ ማለት ነው። A little, very little. ትንሽ በጣም ትንሽ። A few, very few. ሁለቱም ትርጉማቸውም ሲሚላር ነው። So a ካጠፋ ነው very ወይ ምናምን አድካደ ወይ ደግሞ little ወይ few ብቻ ከተጠቀምን without a it means not enough, almost none but present. አለ ግን በቂ አይደለም። Okay ለማለት ከፈለግን ደግሞ without a እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። For example, little. They had little money to spend. ትንሽ ብር ነበራቸው ግን በቂ አይደለም የነበረው። Okay? I have got very little money. I need to borrow some. በጣም ትንሽ ብር ነው ያለኝ። ብር አለ of course አለኝ ግን I have little money. It means I have very little money. It means በጣም ትንሽ ብር ነው ያለኝ። ስለዚህ እነዚህን what መበደር አለብኝ እንዳለ ማለት ነው። Have you got any money? No, very little. I have got very little money. I will borrow some from my friends. So በጣም ትንሽ ብር ነው ያለኝ ከጓደኞቼ እበደራለሁ ያልከው ማለት ነው። How about few? he has got very few friends, he needs to make some በጣም ጥቂት ጓደኞች ያሉት ስለዚህ አዲስ ጓደኛ ማድረግ አለበት ያልክ ነው ስለዚህ በቂ ነው ጓደኞቹ አይደሉም because few ስለተጠቀሙ ማለት ነው we have few oranges to share for example አምስት ካለን ሁለት ኦሬንጅ ካሉ ብርቱካን ካሉ በቂ አይደሉም አሉ ፕሬዘንት ናቸው ግን በቂ አይደሉም ሁላችን ስለዚህ few እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው no none የሚለው ደግሞ totally absent ወይ ደግሞ present የለም ለማለት ደግሞ no ወይ ደግሞ none እንጠቀማለን ነው she has no friend ምንም ጓደኛ የላትም ብቻዋን ነች she has no friend she is a loner I have no money I am broke ምንም ብር የለኝም ብር ጨርሻለሁ ስለዚህ ምንም የለም ለማለት ደግሞ no or none እንጠቀማለን none of them returned from the trip so far ስለዚህ ከትሪፕ የተመለሱ ከነሱ ማንንም የተመለሰ የለም none of the above is correct ስለዚህ ከነዚህ የተጠቀሱ ምንም ልክ መልስ የለም So these are the questions. Let's do some exercise. Pause the video and do them by yourself. You can use little, few, or very few. So from 1 to 7, you can use the given choice, and from 8 and 9, there are given the bracket. Okay, you have to choose between the two. So do them yourself, and let me give you, or let's do number 1 first. I have dash war left. There is enough to share. Okay, I have a little war nominal, a little matter because it's enough to share. Enough slala, a little war alebn man. So pause the video and do use the exercise by yourself. So that's all about quantifiers. If you have any question or comment, please leave at the end of the lecture. Thank you for joining us.